What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can draw on sandpaper. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see that here is the drawing that we need to make, but I'm going to make a little bit different drawing. So as it is Republic Day is coming in India, so let's draw on something on Republic Day. Okay, so as you can see I've teared it off, and to make the our drawing I'm going to use these all pastels normally as we use. So I'm going to draw a heart in which I'm going to draw India's flag. So because I am making this drawing on Republic Day, I'm gonna write a Happy Republic Day on the sides, because I have drawn this thing really small and it's like leaving most of the sandpaper. That is why I'm thinking to write a Happy Republic Day. So let's do that. Okay, so now I'm done with the Republic Day drawing. So as you can see, this thing, don't look at this thing, this is my stupid stuff that I do always. But I thought to write 72 and 2 didn't get well, so I thought to draw it a lot of things that I can draw, this, that. But and the last, I can't fix this thing. Look at this, how bad it's looking. And you were also not able to see a H, Y and all the stuffs which I've written in orange color. But let me make the light low. I think now it's better. Now you can see HAPPY, Happy Republic Day, and with a flag and with my stupid stuff. So, but you cannot draw this, you can draw anything else, anything good, not bad like this. And so thanks for watching, and if you like my video, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel right now, and I will see all of you in the next video.